Secret Love Entertainment. This one's called My Songbird, dedicated to Mariah, inspired by Mariah. Although she's a butterfly, I call her my songbird. My songbird on phone. My songbird, I call you my songbird. Why do birds of a feather love to flock together and fly south in the winter to find a way through stormy weather? My songbird, I love my songbird. You can hear them notes singing to my ears. I must let you know you are so beautiful. You're my #1 hit in this whole wide world. So this is for the cool in you. Just stay young at heart. You still my baby girl. Your sexy love is so adorable. I gotta get that vibe. So listen in the air tonight. Anytime I hear you, the time seems right, and you blow my ears off. Songbird, you're out of sight. My songbird, I call you my songbird. Why do birds of a feather love to flock together and fly south in the winter to find a way through stormy weather? My songbird, I love you, my songbird. Wait till I get a hold of this. Only you will know my wish. The best kept secret to hold close to your heart. Since mad love to you has been revealed, then comes the time your love was spoken and my eyes opened wide. It was too good to be true, so I spread my wings. I just had to try to fly. Then your spirit just came over me from a distant sky. We made each other laugh and we made each other cry. Even said goodbye at times, but we never flew away. Even though we fly, my songbird, I call you my songbird. Luckily in this world, we're spending life at the same time. And if there's a perfect love, it's between you and I. My songbird, my songbird, I call you my songbird. Why do birds of a feather love to flock together and fly south in the winter to find a way through stormy weather? My songbird, I love you, my songbird.